In a big blow to BJP Manipur, just ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state, several members of the Phungyar BJP Mandal and Morcha of the Bharatiya Janata Party in Manipur have collectively resigned from the party's primary membership, citing neglect of grassroots voices and lack of inclusiveness within the state unit. Among the people who resigned are special invitee of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Ngachomni Rangshang, Phungyar BJP Mandal President, Wingam Kaishing, President of Mahila Morcha, President of Yuva Morcha, President of Kishan Morcha, Scheduled Tribe Morcha, and 53 booth-level presidents. In the press note, irate members informed dissatisfaction with the party's internal functioning was the primary reason for their resignations. They also alleged a lack of consultation, inclusiveness, and respect for grassroots leadership in the decision-making process. They maintained that while their loyalty to the party's ideology had remained unwavering, the treatment of grassroots functionaries had forced them to take this drastic step. They also reaffirmed their commitment to work for the welfare of the community and the people of Manipur.